This week on Entertainment Recap, dancehall queen Cher talks about miscarriage, potential kid tied the knot, Jacquier to face trial in January. These and lots more. I'm your host, Alicia. Let's get into it. Having a child is considered a blessing, and many females aspire to be blessed with this gift of bringing life into this world. What seems to be a joyous moment filled with congrats for dancehall queen Cher, from a post on Instagram depicting pregnancy, would later open doors to a traumatic miscarriage. She took to her Instagram to share details of her loss.
But the time I talked to my baby father, I said, babes, I don't know what going about. Them says either the baby or me. And him not hesitate. Same time I say, babes, are you? You know one that I'm telling you love the baby and the two love the baby. But at the same time, we can't have baby again. You understand? I say, baby, say, sure, so we can't have baby again. I say, yeah, I'm sure, so we can't have baby again. Just don't make me lose you. I say, alright. I call the doctor. I say, doctor, the baby father say you can't take the baby. And one thing for you say you're going to lose the baby, you know. But it's another for you push out a baby, know him say the baby not alive when him come out. That lick right there, so it lick.
Losing a child has affected many females, but stay strong. And we here at the PBCJ family will keep you in our prayers. Love and marriage go together like horse and carriage. Then people, potential kid, married enough. The Trenchtown, a nice dancehall artist, is known to us as Potential Kid, given name Dwayne Taylor got married to his girlfriend, Althea Henry, now known as Mrs. Taylor. Talk now? A month ago, they tied the knot. The couple had a private wedding in New Jersey at the clerk's office. Potential Kid, congrats to you and your wife. Done that, I move that.
She does a bubble like a chicken granny. She make me feel like a look of She want me time, me think I'm a damn I just nice, me think I gotta see me. And she come in and me.
Trenchtown concert is still in its planning phase as there are hopes for COVID restrictions to be lifted in December for the event to proceed. The concert, scheduled to be held on December 26, 2021, Boxing Day, is organized by the Shashamane Sunrise Foundation and the Trenchtown Development Trust. It is slated for Culture Yard and the Ambassador Theatre in Kingston. Performances by Nesbeth, Queen Ifrica, Prince Akeem, Tony Rebel, soca star Destra, and Jose Chameleon are among the acts on the lineup to perform. Proceeds for this event will go towards the development of Trenchtown and Shashamane schools, among other entities. The event will be free of cost for patrons who are fully vaccinated.
We are in these prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time.
Tis the season to be jolly, but sadly not for reggae artist Jacquier, whose given name is Secretary Alcock. Potentially, he will not be spending Christmas with his family due to an additional 83 days in lockup at a detention center in the Netherlands as he awaits a January 2022 trial. Wow. The Call on Me reggae artist was arrested and charged as a result of an alleged stabbing incident involving show promoter Nicarda Papa Blake on October 1st, 2021 at the Dam Square in Amsterdam. Jacquier was charged with attempted murder, attempted manslaughter, aggravated assault, or attempted aggravated assault. He has been in custody since early October.
Baby girl, I want back when she was 9 and I was 10.
Grammy Award-winning female reggae artist Koffee is on Netflix. The Harder They Fall movie soundtrack. The data go on, you know? Koffee made a post on Twitter Wednesday, October 27, giving small details about the movie titled The Harder They Fall. The soundtrack was produced by Jemens Samuel, and the date the movie will be released. Koffee, go on do your thing, and guess what? Big up you! This week's new music comes from Popcorn with Good Only, Ritical with Think About It, Jada Kingdom with Jungle, and Skillibeng with Piano. Take a look.
Don't it. Your body, me adore it. When you wind up on me slowly, you know one do it remotely. Oh yeah, get me in love with your curves and your skin so smooth, yeah, smooth, yeah. No one say you're freaking me, want get you in the mood, yeah, smoothly. Lump your hand them slowly pan my pants. Think about it. Been broken and be torn so bad. Don't even know I'm hurt, been trying to hold back. I'm only trying my best to make it work, but things only got worse. Do you even think about how I'm feeling? I'm so lost right now, just give me something to believe in.
Careful how you're moving when you walk on the street. Man, them over here, so have more guns than police. Hungry man around for put some food on him plate. That dirty preacher boy, yeah, him just get charged for rape. For we are share a bed and that's just how we're living. Try to walk the lane at night, you goodly end up missing. Yeah. Hard for a dream, cause we're not seeing a happy end. The heavy machine for closer to you than your friend. Hunger make you lay down, can't wait for the light come. Jungle this no kingdom.
Piano. Yeah, man. Piano. Say them dark, but we darker. Bat them way like Sri Lanka. Fool them attack, yeah, killer what? Piano. Dark, my dark when you see me now chat. Pass the black.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to this individual. Happy birthday to you, or I should say individuals. This week's birthday shout out goes to dancehall artist Kemar Icon. The boss is a twin, you know. So to the both of y'all, happy birthday. And continue to do great work and just big up you. And on that note, thanks for watching PBCJ's Entertainment Recap. I'm your girl, Alicia, and follow us on all socials at PBC Jamaica. Thanks to Ear Candy, them always deck me out. For my earring, butterflies, and my neck, I have a garden thing going on. And remember to follow them at the Ear Candy Collection on their social media platforms. Just remember, always and forever, big up you!